Video presented to you by Unique to Billions e-learning. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. In one of the earlier videos, we studied concept of simple interest. The basic idea behind simple interest is that it is same for all the periods interest is paid only for principal amount. Let us consider one more numerical here. Hari deposited $2,000 in a bank account that pays simple interest at a rate of 10% per annum. Calculate the accumulated value of the deposit after 3 years. First, write down what are the things given here. It is given, principal amount is given $2,000. Rate of interest is given R, that is equal to 10% per annum, that is equal to 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10. N is given as 3. We can calculate simple interest is equal to NRP, that is equal to 3 into 1 by 10 into 2000. I will get $600. What is accumulated value? Accumulated value is the total amount at the end of third year. So I have to find total is equal to principal plus simple interest, that is equal to 2000 plus 600, that is equal to $2,600. I can find the same by using the formula directly. So T is equal to P into 1 plus NR, that is equal to 2000 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 2000 into 1.3, that gives $2,600. Let us understand the same by using the timeline. Timeline gives 0, 1, 2 and 3. It is for 3 years, so I required 1, 2, 3. 0 represents the present time. So at present time, that is at now, Hari deposited $2,000. What is the interest accumulated during first period? It is 10% of 2000, that is equal to 2000 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 200. What will be the accumulated amount at the end of the first period? It is principal is already there, 2000 plus an interest of 200 is added up. So accumulated amount is 2200 at the end of the first period. At the end of the second period, we know the interest is calculated again as the 10% of 2000 only, that is the principal only. So it is equal to 2000 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 200. Interest is same 200 here. And what will be the accumulated amount? Accumulated amount will be equal to 2200 was there at the end of the first period. So 2200 plus 200 is the interest. So the total accumulated amount at the end of the second period is 2200 plus 200, that is equal to 2400. Now the third period. At the third period also, I have to calculate the interest as 10% of the principal, that is equal to 2000 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 200. The accumulated amount is given by 2400 plus 200. Why 2400? 2400 because at the end of the second period we are having an accumulated amount of 2400 and the interest accrued at the end of the third period is 200. So 2400 plus 200, that is equal to 2600. The accumulated amount at the end of the third year is 2600. That is same as what we calculated here. We are going to consider another case of simple interest here when n is not an integer. That means n can take any value in between integer. For this case, I am going to consider the same question we discussed here, but a slight difference. Instead of 3 years, I am going to calculate it for 3.5 years. Again, what are the things given? Principal is equal to $2,000, or it is given as 10%, that is equal to 1 by 10. N is equal to 3.5 years. For a simple interest case, if n is not an integer, interest is calculated in pro rata basis. That is, the equation for the accumulated value t is equal to p into 1 plus nr still applies. So, in this case, we can still use the equation t is equal to p into 1 plus nr. We can calculate the accumulated value after 3.5 years is equal to 2000 into 1 plus n is given as 3.5 into 1 by 10. That is equal to 2000 into 1 plus 0.35. This gives 2000 into 1.35. The answer is 2700. We studied another case here, that is when n is not an integer. It can take any value in between. Still, we are using the same equation, that is t is equal to p into 1 plus nr in the case of simple interest. We will discuss more about different interest calculations in another videos. Keep watching. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.